Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the term Pre-Raphaelites. Introduction. The Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood, formed in 1848 by a group of English artists, marked a significant movement in both the realms of art and literature. Led by figures like Dante Gabriel Rossetti, William Holman Hunt, and John Millais, the Pre-Raphaelites aimed to challenge the prevailing academic style of painting and return to the sincerity, simplicity, and devotion they perceived in the art of the Italian Renaissance before Raphael. This video explores the core ideals of Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood and their influence on the literary movement that followed. We will delve into the works of key literary figures associated with the movement, such as D.G. Rossetti, Christina Rossetti, William Morris, and Algernon Swinburne, highlighting their contributions to medievalism, pictorial realism with symbolic overtones, and the union of flesh and spirit in art and literature. The Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood and its aims. The formation of the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood marked a rebellion against the conventions of academic art that dominated the mid-19th century. The group sought to break away from the contrived and artificial styles of their time and return to the serenity and spiritual depth found in early Italian art. They aimed to depict nature and human emotions with unfiltered truthfulness and authenticity, seeking inspiration from medieval art and the Italian Renaissance before Raphael's dominance. Medievalism and symbolism in Pre-Raphaelite art. Medievalism played a pivotal role in Pre-Raphaelite art as artists sought to capture the essence of the Middle Ages with its rich tapestry of chivalry, romance, and religious devotion. Themes of knights, damsels, and Arthurian legends emerged in their works, evoking a sense of nostalgia for a simpler and more noble era. Additionally, Pre-Raphaelite art often employed symbolism, using intricate details and hidden meanings to convey spiritual and emotional themes. The blending of medievalism and symbolism created a unique and captivating style that set the Pre-Raphaelites apart from their contemporaries. Dante Gabriel Rossetti, the poet-painter. Dante Gabriel Rossetti, one of the founding members of the Brotherhood, was not only an accomplished painter but also a renowned poet. His poem, The Blessed Damozel, exemplifies the Pre-Raphaelite ideals of medievalism, symbolism, and the union of flesh and spirit. The poem explores themes of love, loss, and yearning with vivid imagery and a hauntingly romantic tone. Christina Rossetti, capturing the spiritual and sensuous. Christina Rossetti, sister of Dante Gabriel Rossetti, was a prominent figure in Pre-Raphaelite literature. Her poem Goblin Market is a prime example of movement's fusion of sensuousness and religious symbolism. The poem weaves a captivating tale of two sisters tempted by goblin merchants, delving into themes of temptation, redemption, and sisterly devotion. William Morris, From Verse to Narrative. William Morris, another significant figure in the Pre-Raphaelite literary movement, transitioned from poetry to narrative in verse with his work The Earthly Paradise. Drawing inspiration from medieval sources, Morris created a collection of poetic tales that celebrated nature, love, and the human experience. His work exemplifies the Pre-Raphaelite emphasis on storytelling and the blending of the medieval and the modern. Algernon Swinburne, embracing the sensual and the sublime. Algernon Swinburne's poetry embodied the fusion of sensuality and spirituality, which is the characteristic of the Pre-Raphaelites. His works such as Luas Veneris and Hymn to Proserpine delved into themes of pagan sensuality and religious fervor, exploring the depths of human emotions and desires. Conclusion: the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood left an indelible mark on the worlds of art and literature, reviving medievalism, symbolism, and a fervent union of flesh and spirit. Dante Gabriel Rossetti, Christina Rossetti, William Morris, and Algernon Swinburne, among others, contributed to this movement with their poetry and prose, creating a legacy of authenticity and artistic innovation. The Pre-Raphaelites' influence can still be seen in modern artistic and literary expressions, as their quest for truth and emotional depth continues to resonate with audiences across generations. So this was the discussion on the term Pre-Raphaelites. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.